with the actor Saif Ali Khan. Meanwhile, my colleague has also filed a ground report from the Lilavati hospital where Saif Ali Khan is currently being treated, and as he's also giving us details that a special investigating team has also been formed to particularly look into the Suspects Act and track his whereabouts. Let's now listen into this ground report.
Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan was injured after a robber barged in his residence at Bandra. This whole incident took place in the morning at around 2:30 a.m. when the actor was sleeping in his house along with his other family members. The robber barged in his residence at Bandra and allegedly stabbed him. Right now I'm present outside the Lilavati hospital in Bandra where the actor was rushed in the night when this whole incident took place, and right now the treatment is underway. The doctors have said that he was admitted at the hospital in the morning at 3:30 a.m. and the treatment is going on at the hospital. The police said that the robber fled from the scene after occupants of the house woke up and police are trying to trace him. The Bandra police are in the process of registering an FIR and several police teams have been formed to nab the culprit. A senior police officer confirmed the incident and said that Saif Ali Khan has been admitted to the Lilavati hospital where he is undergoing treatment. It is not clear yet if he is stabbed or injured in this scuffle with the robber. We have been investigating the matter, and the Mumbai Crime Branch is also conducting a parallel investigation into this whole incident. Speaking about his injuries, Dr. Neeraj Uttamani, the COO of Lilavati Hospital, said that Saif was attacked by an unidentified person in his house and he was brought at the Lilavati Hospital in the morning at 3:30 a.m. He has 6 injuries, 2 of which are deeper. One of the injuries is close to his spine. We are operating on him. He is being operated upon by the neurosurgeon Nitin Dange, cosmetic surgeon Leena Jain and anesthetist Nisha Gandhi, and we will tell the extent of the damage only after the surgery is done. Right now the treatment is going on at the Lilavati hospital where we can see this is the Lilavati hospital where he was been admitted late night when this whole incident took place. He was admitted in the morning at 3:30 a.m. and the doctors are there. The treatment is going on, and the doctors have said that once the whole surgery is done, after which they will come and speak to the media and brief about the whole injury and the surgery which took place. And right now the police is also investigating into this whole matter, but the robber who entered into his house fled away from the spot, and the further investigation are going on by the Mumbai police. With video journalist Kunal, this is Daryl Mera and AFA News X, Mumbai.
All right, now, in fact, as we are also tracking more details, my colleague Daryl is there at the Lilavati hospital and bringing us all the live updates from there. Daryl, as in fact, we are picking up all the details that are happening on the ground as Saif Ali Khan has sustained injuries and currently undergoing the treatment as well in Lilavati. What is in fact the hospital administration now maintaining and the response from the team of Saif Ali Khan on this entire incident?
Simran, if you see the officials, the hospital officials have not yet given any statement after the surgery because the treatment is underway, and once the whole treatment is done, after which the officials from the Lilavati hospital is set to come and give an official statement to the media. Till then, the reaction which was given, the statement which was given by the hospital officials was that there were severe injuries, around 6 injuries, out of which 2 are said to be very severe and for which the surgery was underway. Now the Mumbai police teams have also reached at Saif Ali Khan's house in Bandra West, where I am currently present, and we can see here the crime branch.
All right, Daryl, I request you to kindly stay on with us, as in fact Raza Murad, the actor, is also joining me live on the broadcast.